Air pollution consists of chemicals or particles in the atmosphere that pose serious health and environmental threats. But what causes air pollution, and what does it mean for our planet? Some air pollution comes from natural sources like volcanic eruptions, wildfires, or allergens. But most air pollution results from human activities, such as energy use and agriculture.
Developed nations have legislated some regulations to control the rate of emissions from machineries, while underdeveloped nations like Africa are dying silently from this deadly poison as a result of negligence from their leaders. Key benefits. Number 1. Restore your engine without any need to disassemble any cylinder and/or engine. It prolongs the life of pistons and piston rings and achieve a measurable compression improvement. Key benefits. Number 2. Provides strong metal coating, fills micro cracks, and strengthen parts targets combustion chamber only. Does not interfere with oil and gasoline. Key benefits. Number 3. You do not apply it every time you change the engine oil. Apply it once in 1 year. Engine Restoration Bibigizer Capsule. From worldwide record, Bibigizer Power Capsule treatment has been certified and proved to be the most powerful, effective, economical, reliable, durable, easier, and cheaper method of servicing engine compression strength back to normal, increasing horsepower and efficiency of the engine, reducing fuel consumption, prolong overhaul time interval, reduce stress and time during routine preventive maintenance. This is a new type of automobile additive for the restoration of engines and eliminating the effects of carbon emission from machineries. Bibigizer capsule is a metal coating that dramatically restores wear and tear as a result of friction by enhancing metal surfaces, smoothing and sealing micropores, and reducing microscopic weld at pressure points. Effects of air pollution on human life. Short exposure to air pollution could increase a person's risk of irregular heartbeat or blood clots in the lungs. The risk of death is greater from long-term exposure. Current science suggests that air pollution facilitates atherosclerosis development and progression. Air quality has impact on the health of our lungs and the entire respiratory system. The cells of the lung tissue can be damaged by air pollutants such as ozone, metal, and free radicals. According to World Health Organization report, air pollution causes 2 million premature deaths per year. The problem: internal combustion engine is any type of machine that obtains mechanical energy or fuel burned in a combustion chamber that is an integral part of the engine. Causes of incomplete combustion, which is rectifiable by an additive called Bibigizer Power Capsule. A frequent use of bad grade of fuel, poor maintenance culture, or delay in servicing. The use of poor grade engine oil and oil filters. The unavoidable sand killer, wear and tear as a result of friction, failure to decarbonize within recommended intervals, example, the inbuilt carbon deposits in the combustion chamber. The use of substandard engine plugs and nozzles. The use of expired catalytic converter. Bibigizer application strictly by resource personnel. Treatment instruction 1. Engine should be at operating temperature. Remove the spark plugs. Put the pellets into the cylinder through the spark plug hole using the plastic tube. Insert small tube into large tube if extension is needed. Install spark plugs again. Treatment instruction 2. Wait for 10 minutes. Idle car on slow running for 20 minutes. Carbon flush out, not poisonous. If engine is in very poor condition, you may double the dosage. Bibigizer Power Capsule. providing solution to carbon pollution in our environment, and engine restoration, creating a carbon monoxide-free environment, engine restoration, and to minimize fuel consumption by 30%, provide profit combustion, improve engine efficiency. Our mission and vision statement. Our mission: confronting air pollution caused by human activities through burning of petrol, diesel, and other fuels which affect human health, agriculture, the environment, and our ozone layer. Our vision: providing a healthy and friendly environment by applying Bibigizer power capsule technology. Why Bibigizer power capsule treatment is a must to your machinery. Bibigizer power capsule stands as the only viable solution to our bee environment. The burning of petrol and diesel emits poison to our society. Pollution challenges caused by poisonous emission of gases from engine exhaust pipes called carbon monoxide, which pollutes the entire airspace and deposits hazardous and dangerous poison on a daily basis. From worldwide record, Bibigizer power capsule treatment has been certified and proved to be the most powerful, effective, economical, reliable, durable, easier, and cheaper method of servicing engine compression strength back to normal, increasing horsepower and efficiency of the engine, reducing fuel consumption, prolonged overhaul time interval, reduced stress and time during routine preventive maintenance. This is a new type of automobile additive for the restoration of engines and eliminating the effects of carbon emission from machineries. Bibigizer capsule is a metal coating that dramatically restores wear and tear as a result of friction by enhancing metal surfaces, smoothing and sealing micropores, and reducing microscopic weld at pressure points. We are the lead way that provides professional services in confronting air pollution and restoring the strength of your engine through spark plugs in 20 minutes without dropping your engine. Give us a try now. Bibigizer